Hi everyone, this is Julie with Heard That. If you see my video earlier, you know that we have remodeled the kitchen, and I want to show you something that Randy did. Randy put my lights in. These lights are really cool. How much were they? Like $29 for the ones on top. Let me turn you around. We got these at Lowe's for like $29. It's so cool. The ones on the bottom are just a push on and off, but the ones on top is a remote. Show them the remote. No, show them the remote, what it looks like. And it has all those colors. And we found out something that you can do for Christmas. It's really cool. Ain't that the coolest thing? You can change it at Christmas to red and green. Let's see if you can get that. He had it a while ago, red, green, and it looks so cool. Yeah. Now we're trying to get it. Now it looks like it's on fire. You can still do it like that. It's changing it. But a while ago we had it where it was like that one. Red, green. So we have to work with it a little bit. But for Christmas we thought that was so cool. What other colors?
Let's see, you got blue.
There's blue.
Orange. Lime green.
Green.
Light blue. Yellow. Or lighter orange.
Light orange.
Turquoise. Purple.
Purple. It looks different on video, on the camera, to me, than in person. It's really cool though. I love it, but I threw a fit when Randy got it to be red, green, like that over there. I'm like, that's what I'm going to keep it at for Christmas. That would be so fun when you walk in and you see all that done in Christmas with your Christmas decorations. Oh, that's pretty cool there with the green in the middle and the red on sides. And you can't get it, huh?
I can't. I did it first time a while ago.
I know, and it was so cool, and I wanted to show y'all that, but you get the idea what we want to do for Christmas time. But, yeah. I'm green again. But, yeah, they're like $29 at Lowe's, and the other ones were like, I don't know. Do you remember what the ones on the bottom were? The little push?
Like 20 bucks for a set
20 of those for a set of 3?
Yeah.
Yeah. So anyway, I thought y'all would think that that was fun since I showed you the video. I'll turn this light off and see what it looks like. Yeah. So pretty. I just love it. I really do. I really think that's pretty awesome looking. How does it look like coming from the other way?
It looks cool.
Let me see.
We need to take those grapes down.
The grapes. My mom's put these up. She loved grapes and stuff. I hate to take those down.
No,
but
they don't really go.
Maybe we can find them another home.
Yeah.
But those are so cool. The lights. Anyway, I just wanted to show y'all that. I just thought it was, I keep saying how cool it was. I just think it's pretty cool, especially at Christmas. But we'll just keep it all the white. It's a little bit, what would you say, Randy, brighter up there on the top?
Yeah, there's more of a daytime light, and this is more of an inside light, like a soft light.
Yeah, but it's good. Like if you have a party or something, it sort of just lightens everything up a little bit. Makes it neat. Just shows it off. You think?
Yep. Oh, this thing's got a timer too. You can set it for 4
let me
hours
see.
or 8 hours.
Show them that thing in the light.
See, it's got 4 hours, 8 hours. I wonder what this button does. Let's see. Oh.
Oh, there. There you go. Huh? It dims it?
Dims them, yeah.
Oh, so that matched the bottom a little bit better.
Yeah. That's pretty cool.
What else does it do? Does it turn off and on and flicker and blink and all that? I like the blue. I think the blue's my favorite. Oh my gosh, are you serious? Okay, now you got to do that with red and green, making them go on and off. That would be cool at Christmas. That's just multicolor?
Yeah.
That'd be cool for a party.
It would.
Some kind of a little party. This is so cool. I'm having so much fun with these lights, y'all. But yeah, at Christmas, you can't just do red and green on and off. They need to do that. That's pretty cool. Now you got to put those remotes somewhere where we don't lose them.
I know.
Are you trying to do red and green again?
Yeah.
You got that one to do red and green.
Yeah.
That one just wants to turn.
Dang it.
You got that one. You just couldn't get that end. Still pretty cool.
Ain't done.
Turn it back to blue, our favorite. Makes it soft. Uh-oh.
Well, that one up there is still going a little crazy.
There you go. Okay, I hope you had as much as fun as we did. Did you have fun, Randy?
I had fun.
I just thought it was pretty cool. I just thought it was just going to be white lights. I didn't know it was going to do all that other stuff. And I'm like, oh, I can't wait for Christmas now. That would be so fun, especially when you get your decorations out for Christmas. That would just all go together. Anyway, y'all, thanks for joining us. Thanks. Bye.